bahlala phansi bavuma izindaba zakubenza uNkulunkulu uye uMntakandaba abasitha.
We are grateful to the Free State government for the future support in this event, especially with the declaration of support going forward by the Director General and also the Premier Ismail Ashu. Furthermore, we are imploring other provinces to have local actions, plans and activities that can also bolster traditional dance. So what does the future have in store for the ORCF as we are here today? We are strengthening collaboration with critical stakeholders, both local and international, such as the media, traditional leaders, tourism, companies, and other parts of the private sector. The collaborations are vital in enabling us to push through the agenda of using culture and cultural tourism as an employment and income-generating vehicle. Collaboration with tourism and companies will further expose the rich heritage of this country and facilitate cultural tourism, which is key to community and rural development. At the international level, we are going to strengthen and develop partnership with international cultural festivals in Europe and America and other parts of the world, so that we can be able to put a rich South African culture on the global map. In as much as we engage in cultural diplomacy at the domestic level, we must remember that in our quest for diversity, social cohesion and inclusion, we must have a global footprint, which means that we need to be open-minded in expanding who we include on our program and not only indigenous people. Putting this into practice will entail traditional dance workshops, choreography and other. This is indeed a rare generosity which we don't take for granted. We are truly most grateful for this generosity given to us. A further heart thank goes to Central Secondary School, which housed our people, our dancers, and Mapoy Secondary School, even though we did not use the accommodation because we were able to use the Central Secondary without any difficulty. We would also like to thank Baba Morenasane Mopeli, who was with us from the beginning when we were doing all the planning, running up and down. He's been with us now to the end. But I think that this won't be an event if I don't acknowledge my advisor, Mr. Ray Magaiza, who has made this thing happen. He has been our satellite man here, running things here in this province, because the distance is too far from Desert to always like. But above all, I want to thank your families for allowing you guys to be here. This is a special time where you should be with your families, but they are with us, and understanding that we are a society and our obligation to South Africa. We cannot take lightly all your education and the sacrifices that you make. Some of you are mothers, they are parents, and some of you are children, only born children, but they are with us here because they understand where we are going. I want to say thank you, God Almighty, that we have not had any bad incident that was reported from this event, as we have been here over the 8 years period, 9 years. Great news, we are celebrating 10 years next year. We're looking forward to adding more of our dancers and making it more fun and making history and creating a platform that all of us will remember. I am truly serious about the international platform that we want to open. We will take our dancers to New York or London or Canada, where already our people are living, and show them how it's home, and make them remember home. May God bless all of you, and we will have some few activities before we depart. From my heart, I would like to say thank you, and you should know that with humility, I release you most willingly to live for your home, and I hope you arrive safe. God bless you all. God bless all the provinces of South Africa. God bless our culture, and God bless our people.
betho are se ke moremogolo ke wa motho mme wa taola wa betwa itsolela o itsele ha re me le khosi etona khosi ya KwaZulu-Natal ene ngwana wa motona wa ko boreleng kana botona ba kwa KZN ke me hata se ha onkwele cultural royal festival yone ernetsemfa meritisa go re tlo go itumela meritisa go re skara le bana bo re tswang le ngwa ya rena re skara isia go morago aparela ngalo tsotlhe batho betso hanga ka re motswana kana mosotho kana mosolo kana mang ke batho re tla ranga aparela ngalo tsotlhe re tla re khona go itse mo re tswang go borre mogolo ba ne ba gata wa teng se tla go sa bone ga sa sala mahara go morago re gata mo godimo ga sona a ke re pula e runele mme ska nela rona fela ene le South Africa ka bophara ha ke rialo ka re salanka ka